dyeing wool for your project is very simple with Born to Dye kit. Prepare the dye. In a glass with very hot water, add the amount of dye desired and stir until all the dye is dissolved. You can use your pattern's color combination table for help. Begin to dye. In the pot, place the amount of water necessary to cover the wool and heat the water to medium temperature. With very hot water, pour the water with dissolved dye and stir until the water is uniform. Put the wool in the pot for 15 minutes and stir occasionally. Pour the fixative stir occasionally for 15 minutes. The water after this time should be semi-transparent. If not, leave the wool in the water for 5 more minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and allow the wool to cool to room temperature. Rinse to remove excess dye. Let the skins dry in the shade.